Hey everybody, I'm here today to answer the simplistic question of how does a microscope work? I'll be giving you an easy explanation for beginners, so let's get right into this video. As you can see right here, I have this microscope, and I'm going to quickly and simplistically explain how it works. Now, essentially, a microscope is essentially a unit that has magnification lenses within it. So whatever you place on this platform right here, you will get a magnified view, a microscopic view, no pun intended, of that object or of that liquid or whatever it is that you're looking at, okay? Now, the way that it accomplishes this is that each lens uses one or more curved pieces of glass, and those curved pieces of glass essentially magnify whatever it is in front of it. So as you can see right here, I'll bring this a little bit closer. As you can see, there are three different magnification levels mounted on this microscope. This is a 4x magnification, this is a 10x, and this is a 40x. So we have 4 times, 10 times, and then 40 times. Obviously, the one that I'm talking about is the one in front of the camera, not the one over there, right? So right now, this is the 4 times down here, the red one. This is the 10 times, the yellow one, and the blue one is the 40 times. As far as I can remember, those are the numbers, okay? So each of these has one or more curved pieces of glass inside of it to magnify whatever it is that you're looking at, okay, to give you a microscopic view. Now, the smaller magnification levels will use less curved glass than the bigger magnification levels, hence why this is a longer tube. The 40 times is much longer than the 4 times because it uses more glass, okay? In addition to what you see over here, there's also an eyepiece, okay? And your ocular lens, your eye lens over here, is also most likely going to have a magnification. And I'll take this one out to give you the example right here. So this one right here is a 12.5 times magnification. And the best way to show you is that, look, you can see this is the curved piece of glass that accomplishes that 12.5 times magnification, as well as the curved piece of glass over here, as far as I understand. So basically, the best way to describe how a microscope works is you look in, and I'll bring this a little bit lower so you can see a little bit of a better view of what's going on here. You look into the eyepiece up here at the top, okay? And it's going to magnify whatever you're looking at on the platform through the magnification of the eyepiece and the magnification of the objective lens, which is down here, okay? In addition, there's most likely going to be a light source underneath that will sort of blast some light up through this hole over here, okay? And that's going to give you a better illumination of whatever it is that you're looking at, okay? And these things over here adjust the focus so you can get a better view, a more clear view with more clarity of the object that you're looking at. And that is essentially how a microscope works. It's essentially a long tube, okay, with a light source underneath, and the different lenses are going to magnify whatever you're looking at. And then you move that long tube up or down with the coarse adjustment knob or the fine adjustment knob to get the most clear view of whatever it is that you're studying. And that's it. That's essentially how they work. Really, really simple. It's really like, if you look at a magnifying glass, it's like a magnifying glass, but taken to the whole next level with a lot more control over it instead of a freehand thing. And that's essentially it. That's how does a microscope work? An easy explanation for beginners. If you like this video tutorial / explanation / demonstration, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.